In today's practice, we'll be doing a few standing poses to help us open up the hips. I recommend that you have your chair in front of you for now, but so that you can see what I'm doing, I'm keeping my chair to the side. We begin in what we call a wide-legged mountain. So if this is our traditional mountain, standing with our feet hip distance apart, I invite you to take your legs a little bit wider and the feet are slightly turned out to 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Your chair is in front of you for support. You can bend your knees a few times just to feel nice and loose here. And now straightening the legs, but not locking the knees. Keep a little bit of softness there. Inhale, feel nice and tall. And as you exhale, hinge at your hips and start to bend forward. And as you do, allow your tailbone to come out behind you, toward the wall behind you. You're holding on to your chair for support. And let's just stay there. If I were mimicking you, then I would be bent over like this, and my legs are wide. So find your comfortable spot. And your knees are a little bit soft. Playing here with your tailbone, maybe bring it back behind you a little bit more and bring it forward. Bring it back a little bit more behind you and forward. And now as we inhale, just rising up to stand straight. And we'll just try that one more time. So think about what we're doing. We're standing nice and tall, inhaling. As we exhale, we relax forward, hinging at the hips, pushing the tailbone back. You should feel this stretch in your inner thighs. Keep your knees a little bit soft, tailbone pushing back. Inhale and come up. Keeping the legs wide apart, bending one knee out over the toes into a little lunge, coming up to straight. Bend the other knee and come up to straight. And let's just do that a few times. Bend and straighten on each side. This is working your thigh muscles, your quadricep, but it's also working the inner thigh muscles. Coming up and down. Now adding something in. As I bend my knee to this side, taking my arm, bringing it across the body as though I were reaching for something. If you need to, have your chair or the wall to help you stay stable. And now straightening my leg, coming up to standing, taking that arm and bringing it out wide and back behind me. And we'll try that again. Inhale, and as we exhale, bend the knee, reach across the body, feeling how long and straight your leg is. And then straightening out your knee, coming back, turning to look behind you, and coming to stillness. We'll try that to the other side. So bending your knee, coming back up. This time we invite the arm. Let's inhale, and as we exhale, bend the knee and reach across the body, reaching for something in the distance. Inhale as you straighten and look behind you. Hand comes back, so does your gaze. And now we exhale as we come across the body, bend the knee, reach for something in the distance. We inhale as we straighten, bringing our gaze and our hand behind us and coming to center. And you can just shake that out in any way that feels good, maybe making a few small circles in one direction or the other. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. If you'd like to learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit my website, www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.